Hi and welcome to this introduction video. Today we did an interesting tutorial about the composite column, which is made of aluminium tube at the center, aluminium box around the all parts, and at the middle, the blue, we used ultra high performance concrete. And to consider the full failure behavior, we applied a strain damage model, and then we use concrete damage plasticity and elastic plastic plus damage model for aluminium, convert method for the air blast. And you can see here the fully damaged behavior in tension and in compression. Here is tension. It is the fully damaged. See, all the concrete are damaged because of the nature of concrete. This is a brittle material, and under the incident wave we have this behavior here. And then the compression damage here again at the middle, the element failed, and then both aluminium part is stressed, the middle and the outer box, and this is the inner box, the maximum displacement for that. Then the stiffness degradation, force diagram during the time, and this is the composite column or beam full behavior. This is the Johnson-Cook damage. You can see it is happen at the middle and at the two ends. At the boundary zone, the boundary zone is not important, but here is important at the middle. Okay, if you need this model, you can come to our website abaqusfm.com, find the tutorial here, or if you can, search the title here. Then here you will have the introduction, the definition of the composite column and beam, and then material model. And here we have some results, definition of the convert method, mesh definition, and the result at the end. Uh, the file or the workshop include the CAE and INP file, reference paper, a step-by-step English video, and the price is 30 euros, and we accept all the payment methods such as PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, and all the cryptocurrencies. Before payments, contact us through this email to tell you more about the purchasing process, the content of the tutorial, and the other explanations that you need to know. For now, thank you for your attention.